Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 2D drawing from the existing 3D solid part with the help of FreeCAD TechDraw Workbench. This is the exercise for today that we need to create this 2D drawing from the existing 3D solid part. Here you find the first steps and the tools that I used to create the 2D drawing. First, click simply this button to open the 3D solid part and create the 2D drawing. This 2D drawing is based on the 3D solid part called Exercise 11. Please refer this 3D model. Next, switch from Part Design Workbench to TechDraw Workbench. Now, click on the New Page template and insert the preferred template to your project. You have a choice between ASME and ISO standards. Before you start with creating the views, make some basic settings to fulfill your drawing standards. When you click on the TechDraw Workbench, you find the TechDraw customization options. First, set the projection mode and the section line convention according to your drawing's requirement. As you see, I choose the first angle projection and the ISO section line convention. You can also set here the scale of the views. You also have the possibility to change the settings of the other options like dimension, annotation, color, and others. Now, select the body whose drawing we want to create and then click the Insert View button. One view in the middle of the page will appear and a dialog window appears in the task panel. Click on the buttons in the dialog window until you get the first proper view. After the front view is ready, then click on the other boxes to create the secondary views. The auto distribution option helps you to keep constant vertical and horizontal distances between the views. If you remove this icon, the position dependency will be removed. To activate and deactivate the view frames, use this tool. Double-click the projection group and then edit the settings of the views. Set the scale option to custom and then change the scale of the views. To create the section view, first select the view and then activate the Section View tool. In Section View window, first put the name or identifier of the view and then select the direction of the section. To see the section view, activate the Live Update option. Press OK to confirm. Next, position the section view. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Next, we create the center and the symmetry lines. Now, we assign dimensions to the views. Now, we start to create a shaded ISO view. Switch to Part Design Workbench and then position the 3D solid part for the shaded ISO view. After positioning, switch again to TechDraw Workbench. Now, activate simply the Active View tool. The last step is to edit the text field parameters. Edit each of the parameters according to your wish and requirements. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.